Ready to unlock your career potential with Walmart Canada? Let's get you hired. First, navigate to the Walmart Canada Careers page. You can simply search Walmart Canada Careers in Google or type careers.walmart.ca directly into your browser. Once on the careers page, use the search bar to find the job you're interested in. For example, you can type cashier, stock associate, or any other position. Next, specify your desired location. You can filter by city, province, or postal code to find jobs near you. Make sure location is accurate. A list of relevant job openings will appear based on your search criteria. Browse the options, read the job descriptions carefully, and click on the job that interests you. On the job description page, review all the details about the position, required skills, and responsibilities. If it's a good fit, click the Apply Now button. You'll be directed to the application form. You'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the instructions to fill out all the required information, including your personal details, work history, and education. Finally, carefully review your application before submitting it. Once you're satisfied, submit your application. You should receive a confirmation message. Good luck with your application.